How to fix Wi-Fi password incorrect on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Wi-Fi password incorrect on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, double check the password. Ensure that you are entering the correct password. Suppose under the available network, choose the particular Wi-Fi network and then enter the password. Make sure it is the correct password. If it isn't, then there will be the issue of wrong password. So tap on OK button. Even though if you have entered the correct password but it is showing the message of wrong password or incorrect password, then you have to forget the network once. Open settings on your device. Now go to the Wi-Fi and then you have to choose the particular or the problematic network, and then you have to tap the eye icon and then choose the forget button. Then again you have to reconnect by entering the password again. But if the issue did not resolve, you need to restart your device and router. Hold on the power button on your device. And then you have to choose restart and restart the device and the Wi-Fi router as well. Lastly, if none of these steps work, you have to reset the network settings or check the router settings. To reset the network settings, go to settings on your device. You can tap the search bar and type for the reset option. Wait for a while and the list of options appears on the screen. Reset network settings by tapping on reset network settings and choose reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings at top of the screen, and then tap reset network settings. Once you do that, you need to make sure that router is not blocking your device, example through MAC filtering. So once you have done that, lastly, if the issue persists, try updating your device and contacting your device or internet provider. So that is how we fix the Wi-Fi password incorrect on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.